If you want the perfect affordable wash and go, this video is for you. Let's get these curls bouncy and juicy. Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a wash and go. I haven't washed my hair in probably over 2 weeks now, and I've had these braids for probably a week and a half because I've been wearing my glueless wig. But I'm over it. I need to wash my hair. My scalp is itchy. Like, I am over it. So that is today's plan. So I'm gonna start by unbraiding my hair. So as you can see, I'm all done. My hair has been unbraided. It's free from these braids. So, my bad. So, I'm gonna go ahead and start by separating my hair into 4 sections. I do that every single time that I wash my hair. It makes it easier to target my scalp and just to wash my hair properly. So, I love sectioning my hair into 4 parts. So now the actual washing begins. So I work section by section. I start always by drenching my hair in water. I literally may take up to 5 minutes just pouring water down my hair. Like, I want to make sure that my hair is saturated with water and ready for the shampoo, for being manipulated. Y'all know what I mean. So for that, and also I start detangling just a tiny bit, just running my fingers through my hair. So that's what I always start with: drench hair with water. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil that the Baba Frayo. And what's great with finger detangling is that you lose way less hair when you finger detangle, and it helps create those like cluster of like hair which forms like a curl. So anyways, as you can see, this is all that I have for that section just before actually really detangling my hair, because right now I'm just passing my fingers through it, you know. Next, clearing shampoo that I'm going to add into my hair. I'm using the Taraji P. Henson one. I need to really figure out the name. I think it's like honey something. Anyways, I'm gonna use that twice. It's a hydrating, clarifying shampoo, so it's not as stripping as others that I have tried. So that's why I use it twice, because it doesn't dry out my hair like completely. So it's not like too harmful for me. So I like to use it twice, especially like my hair was really dirty. Like, it's been hot, I've been sweating, you know, so I really needed that clarifying shampoo twice. So anywho, and after that, I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Expertise. I believe that's how it's called. I think this is the coconut one that I'm using right now. I'm not too sure, but it's great. I've been using it for time now. It's like a affordable that you can like find anywhere. It's one of my favorites. It's hydrating. My hair works really well with that one, so I'm super happy that I can find something that's not super expensive, you know. So anywho, and that works well with my hair, and it smells amazing. So great product that I like to use to wash my hair. And I'm just gonna do one of the like regular shampoo, one pass, or like one wash. Yeah. I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona.
Now so much we make could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. Come on, white dog.
As you can see, I make sure that I rinse my hair properly. That scalp needs to be soap free. So now my hair is squeaky clean and ready for the deep conditioning. Sorry. I'm using the She Moisture Intensive Repair Restoration something hair mask. Anyways, I've been using it for a while now and I really like it. Seriously, I'm gonna buy another one as soon as this one run out, which is pretty soon. Affordable as well, and great, smells amazing, and does the job for real. Like, I love using this for my deep conditioning, and I use a lot. I am very generous when it comes to deep conditioning. I use a lot of products because I want every strand of my hair to be coated with the hair mask. So yeah, I go through them quite fast. I go through deep conditioning quite fast because I'm very generous, and it really helps. So yeah, so tip: when you use your deep conditioner and you go under the dryer for, like, proper deep conditioning with like heat, make sure you saturate your hair. Anywho,
I did what I got when then kill Sovoma. I did try to buy moto on Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much we make could have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. Come on, white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing?
so as I mentioned briefly, I'm just showing you guys this section for time purposes. Now I'm gonna go ahead, finish the rest of my hair, and then be ready. Boom, there we go, ready to go under the dryer. So I do 45 minutes, but sometimes I go over and do an hour. So I'm watching my show, eating my breakfast, and having a good time. Actually, it's not a show, I'm watching Mummy. So yeah, anyways. We're back in the shower. It's been a little bit over an hour. I'm gonna go ahead, detangle, and wash out the deep conditioning, and then we're gonna proceed with styling. I'm gonna show you what I use, which are these two products: the Blue Magic conditioner and the Aunt Jackie's elongating, don't shrink, whatever. Like, it's like a hair gel. Not gel, but like a, I don't know, like a curl definer, something like that. So I like to use that. These two have been my top favorite for the past probably like 6 months maybe. I love using these two, and I'm also gonna use this little concoction in the green bottle, which is like clover water. It's good for making your hair thicker. My hair has thinned out throughout the year, last year, and the year before that, so I'm trying to get my thickness back. So I've been using that and it works great, but this does not change or affect the style. So that's why I'm not really including it in the like wash and go as like part of the products to like get if you want to get this type of wash and go. But I just wanted to mention it so you're not like, what is this? So that's just like a concoction, but it doesn't affect the actual style of the wash and go. It's only the Blue Magic and the Aunt Jackie's that really make the wash and go. Yeah, so I hope that was clear. So since I'm done detangling, and when I detangle, I really take my time. As you guys saw, I even cut out some parts because it took a long time, but I really take my time. Don't pull, like, as you can see, like when I hit like snags or little knots, I just separate it with both of my hands, using both of my hands, and I just do that for a very long time. And after that, just wash it out and still detangle, because with the product it's easy, but when you don't have the product in your hair, you still need to be able to run your fingers through it. So running your fingers through it while washing the hair as well helps. So anywho, that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna do that for a little while, and then after I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the products. So let me show you the amount of hair that I got from the detangling. Like, it's really not a lot. Look at this. This is basically nothing. Like, finger detangling really, really, really helps, I promise. So try it out. If you don't, like, if you haven't, try it out. So yeah, adding the products. Now I'm adding my little concoction, and I'm gonna work that into my hair real nice. I do that with every product. I work it well. Like, I run my fingers through my hair, and just make sure that everything is coated properly. And then I'm gonna go in with my Blue Magic, and then with my Jackies. And I like to be very generous with both the products. The only one, the Blue Magic, honestly, I put a lot, but I don't put like a lot. Like, I put a lot to make sure that, like, my hair is well coated, but I don't put too much on my hair. Is like, my pores are clogged because it's too, like, greasy, since the Blue Magic is like a pomade, so it's really thick. So I put a lot, but not too much. But the Jackies, though, I go crazy with that one. Like, I may put a little too much at times, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go section by section. I don't know why I did that, but I did, and it worked out pretty good. But yeah, so that's that.
Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you the talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that devil. That the Baba fry yo, my yo, don't cry yo. And if you go and shadow, 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 I did what I got when them kills over my. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timberlake at you. Come on, white dog in Venice. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do?
So this is what my hair looks like after the after the styling. All bouncy, juicy, like, come on now. It looks so good. Anyways, and it's not even dry yet. So now put it up, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and I will see y'all after. There we go, all done. Every section is done. So now what I do is I make sure to, like, get it ready to get under the dryer to finalize, seal the style. So what I mean by that is, obviously I work my hair section by section, so my hair is sectioned out. So when I remove the clips, it's still in, like, sections. So I have to, like, play with it, make sure to remove the sections, and make sure to, like, manipulate it in a way that this is how I want it to look when it dries. So that's what I'm doing right now. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I'm doing. So I'm fluffing out my hair, making sure to, like, not have the sections, like, defined anymore, if that makes sense. Yeah. Also, I'm gonna redo my middle part because that's what I like. I did try, like, a side part once, but I like the middle part better when I have my natural hair out, especially for our wash and go. So yeah, so I'm just gonna define, like, my middle part so it can be crisp, and just start playing with my hair on how I want my hair to fall when it dries. Yeah, so I hope that made sense. Yeah, but I'm just playing around with the hair. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? So this is how it should look at the, well, not the complete end, but before drying. Juicy, bouncy, your curls popping, like, hydrating, soft, and bouncy again. So this is how it's looking. add some hydration to my face because my face was dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer for hours. I don't know, I think I did like an hour and a half for this. I think so. Anyways, this is what it looks like after I think an hour and a half. Obviously it has the shape of the dryer. After that I do need to fluff it out, but this is like my roots are mostly dry at this point. Okay, so this is the next day. My hair is not stretched out, nothing. I just like took it out of like my bonnet, and this is what it's looking like. It's really cute. I like it. Anyways, this is what it's looking like now, day 2. So I don't know if I'm gonna come back on this camera, but if I don't, thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next one.
I don't want to cut when them kills over my. I dey try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today.